Welcome to Car Og 765, the home of classic car lovers and vintage muscle legends. If you're someone who gets goosebumps hearing the deep growl of an old-school V8 engine or feels nostalgia just by seeing chrome shine under sunlight, then you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more classic rides that shaped American automotive history. Today, we're diving into one of the coolest and most iconic hot rods ever built, the 1957 Chevrolet 210 Hot Rod. This isn't just a car, it's a time machine that takes us straight back to the golden age of American muscle. The 1957 Chevrolet lineup included the Bel Air, the 150, and right in between, the underrated 210. While the Bel Air stole much of the spotlight, the 210 became the perfect base for hot rod enthusiasts to create something wild, fast, and unforgettable. With its clean lines, chrome details, and balanced proportions, the 210 gave custom builders the canvas to turn dreams into roaring reality. Under the hood, the original 1957 Chevrolet 210 came with a choice of engines, from the reliable straight 6 to the mighty 283 cubic inch V8, which could be equipped with the now legendary fuel injection system. That made it one of the first production cars to feature electronic fuel injection, something way ahead of its time. But hot rodders didn't stop there. They often swapped in even bigger version 8s, added performance cams, tuned carburetors, and exhaust systems that made the streets shake. When you fire up a 210 hot rod, the rumble alone tells you it's not just a car, it's an attitude. The way it idles, the way the pipes crackle when you hit the throttle, it's pure, raw emotion. You can almost feel the history in every vibration of that steel body. Visually, the 57,210 hot rod stands out with its bold stance. Many owners lowered the suspension, added fat rear tires, and gave it a two-tone paint job with flames or metallic shine. The chrome bumpers, bullet-style taillights, and classic front grille make it instantly recognizable. It's like the perfect mix of power and beauty, with a hint of rebellion. Inside, it's all about simplicity and style. Bench seats, analog gauges, and a steering wheel that feels like it belongs in a race car. Most hot rodders customize their interiors with leather wraps, roll cages, and tachometers, giving the car that street racing vibe while keeping its classic soul alive. What makes the 1957 Chevrolet 210 hot rod truly special is how it represents the spirit of American car culture. This was a time when young people built their dreams with their own hands, turning stock family cars into powerful machines that ruled the drag strips and streets alike. It's not about how expensive the car was, it was about passion, creativity, and craftsmanship. Even today, the 210 hot rod holds its ground at car shows and auctions. Its value keeps climbing, not just in money but in respect. Collectors, restorers, and enthusiasts still hunt for these beauties because every 210 tells a story of speed, freedom, and timeless design. When you see a 1957 Chevy 210 hot rod rolling down the street, it demands attention. The sound, the shine, and the aura, they all scream classic Americana. It's not just transportation, it's living history. If you love cars that carry personality, power, and a piece of the past, then this 1957 Chevrolet 210 hot rod deserves a spot in your heart. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this classic journey, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Car Og 765 for more stories about legendary cars that change the world of speed and style. Because here at Car Og 765, we don't just talk about cars, we celebrate them. See you in the next video, where another classic will ignite your passion once again.